I've walked too close to love, and now I'm falling in. There's so many things this weary soul can't take. Maybe you just caught me by surprise. The first time that I looked into your eyes, and there's a life inside of me that I can feel again. It's the only thing that takes me where I've never been. I don't care if I lost everything that I have known. It don't matter where I lay my head tonight. Your arms feel like home. They feel like home. This life ain't the fairy tale we both thought it would be, but I can see your smiling face as it's staring back at me. And I know we both see these changes now.